Hello everyone. Welcome back to our channel Tech Hire Buddy. आज के वीडियो में हम बात करने वाले हैं Cognizant Gen C4 LPA Hiring Aptitude Assessment के बारे में। अगर आपको मेल आ चुका है for 27 और 28 नवंबर Aptitude, 29 नवंबर Technical and 1 December Communication Test, then this video is only for you. मैं यहाँ complete process, exam format, SAB installation, do's and don'ts, cutoff strategy and game-based aptitude tips detail में explain करूँगी. So make sure to watch this video till the end. Let's start from exam overview. Cognizant aptitude test होगा आओ platform पर and SAB safe assessment browser के through high test देना होगा. Exam का duration 80 minutes होगा और total 2 sections होंगे. First is quantitative aptitude. 30 questions with 30 minutes. And second is game-based questions. Total there are 4 games. 6 minutes each with 24 minutes time. Let's see what are instructions. Total allowed attempts are only 1. So be very careful while giving exam. Now, see system requirements. Windows laptop or desktop is only allowed. And Mac or Linux are not allowed. Also, working webcam is mandatory. Because they will proctor you from camera. With this, 2 GB minimum RAM, Chrome or Firefox of latest version. Internet speed should be at least 2 megabits per second, plain background plus bright lighting. And also, keep college ID ready for verification. While starting test you have to upload your photo and ID card pic. After starting test, you cannot switch screen, tap change, mobile touch, refresh. सब instantly flagged होता है. SAB installation and login steps. Read your mail neatly. They have given our guide. Download it. Read page 9 to 10. And install SAB tool. SAB open करने के बाद access token enter करो. System check होगा. Then, test start button will get active only at exact timing. अगर आप पहले test start करना try करेंगे तो वो नहीं होगा. So, start test at exact time. Login fields are superset ID, password, assessment passkey. ये सब आपको मेल में दिया होगा. You have to enter them to start test. Test start time के 30 minutes बाद तक login allowed है. But once started, timer will not stop. Means your test time mentioned in mail is 12 p.m. You can log in up to 12:30 p.m. After that link will not work for you. So, make sure you are ready with everything before 15 minutes of test. Then, important part is rules and zero tolerance policy. Don'ts are use of mobile while giving test, looking sideways, other person in room, headphones, earphones, using backspace or refresh while giving test, using cheating tools like Telegram or ChatGPT. AI proctoring is enabled, so if your face is not visible, then they will give you auto warning, then also, you did same, then you will get disqualified directly. Let's see exam pattern details. First section is of Quant which have 30 minutes time and 30 questions. Major topics expected in this are arithmetic expression with ratio, profit loss, time work, speed distance, then numbers, algebra basics, probability and permutation basics, data interpretation, logical reasoning with syllogism, seating, blood relation. Talking about cutoff strategy. You should solve every question because there is no negative marking. And at least 20 to 25 should be correct for high selection chances. Then section 2 is game-based aptitude, which have 24 minutes of time. Means 4 sections and each have 6 minutes. Here is level-based scoring. As much higher level you reach, you will get higher score. But make sure you are marking correct. Games usually includes deductive reasoning, inductive reasoning, motion challenge, number grid challenge. Your aim should be reaching 15 plus levels in each challenge. Practice improves speed, so try free sample cognitive games online. I will provide you some links for this, so go and practice. And this gaming section is coming in many companies hiring tests, so this is very important for you. Best tips for cracking the exam are: install SAB and check system one day before of exam. Keep laptop connected to charging, close all apps, notifications off, be ready with internet backup, hotspot, sit straight and visible on camera, attempt quant first with control on accuracy. For games, focus on strategy over random clicking. Practice daily for speed, accuracy, logic. Also, they have given support mail. If issue occurs, if any technical error during exam, email them with your mail ID, college name, assessment date, screenshot of issue. They will definitely provide you support or arrange your exam. So, if you get any kind of problem during exam, reach out them. So friends, this was the complete detailed guide for the Cognizant Gen Z Aptitude Assessment. अगर ये वीडियो आपको हेल्पफुल लगा हो देन लाइक, शेयर, सब्सक्राइब करना मत भूलना. All the best for your exam.